A young lady asked me to make a shiny ring with her pocket money. She wanted to give it to her best friend as a birthday gift. But when I was almost done, she asked me if she could return it. When I asked her why, she said her bestie doesn't like handmade crap. If she really meant it, she'd give a big brand name one that she wouldn't be ashamed to take out. I said that although there is no brand, but more real feelings and sincere. Many people only like brands. They think that only expensive jewelry quality is good. They do not know is that the cost of big brands may also be very low. Handmade custom cost may also be very high. The most expensive is actually labor. But if you guys like it, I can charge a cost to make it for you and won't charge you for the labor. This ring took me 2 days to make, so if you like it, follow me and go to my URL to buy it and I'll make it for you too. Even if you don't like it, please click a like and support the crafter.